Do you see our shirts? Ain't too much for me to jam. Do you know that jam is actually called jam because of Michael Jackson? That's why we named our class Jam. What better to call it? 4 of these. Like the river Jordan. We're going to take it to the right. And I will then say to thee, bring it up. You were my friend. Left side 4 times. Me, like you were my brother. Like a maraca. Like a mother. You hear that in the background? Take it back. And we take it down, out, up, around. So this choreography actually belongs to a Zumba instructor by the name of Steve Boat. He's the best, yes. Did you see how Summer did a little turn? You can turn or you just switch, it's up to you. If you're gonna turn, that's where you do it. 4, 3, 2, take it. When wrong will you scold me? You got that maraca, bring it up. When lost will you find me? But they told me a man should be faithful and walk when not able and fight till the end, but I'm only human. I just want you to feel the emotion in this. Don't overthink it. We're going to turn it if you want it. So much emotion in that song, so good.